M0FXB, welcome back to my videos on SDR Angel. Have you heard of this? You can download it here. All you do is go to the link that I will provide and look at these lovely screenshots here. You can use all kinds of software. At the moment I'm just using this RTL SDR dongle. Okay, but there's lots you can choose, and some of them actually transmit. And that's worth bearing in mind because this system is for receive and transmit, but this dongle is a receive only dongle. Lots of hardware shown here, and if you scroll down there's videos there of it decoding ADBS signals here, which is signals coming from an aeroplane, and it decodes them live. Okay, so if you want to down, it's ADS-B, there you are, and you can watch those videos. Now if you want to download it, go back to the top, click download, and then all I did was went to this section here, Windows 64, and I just ran it. Click it, next, next, next. It was up in my downloads, and we ended up with this program on the right hand side. Just put that back so it looked better like that. This program on the right hand side. So I'm going to remove everything that I'm doing and show you how I got to even this point. So if we just click out, and we'll listen to the hub net at the moment. Click out of everything. So once you get started, you get a blank screen just like this one. Then go to, let's get the right one. The first, quite small, but see the little green play. Go one over. That's your receive. The next one is transmit device. We're only doing receive. Click add receive device. Now, of course, you need to connect your RTL, SDR, whichever one you've got. Then look at the drop down here, and you should, if you're using the same as me, RTL, SDR, and it does number it as lots of zeros and a 1, okay? And then just click OK once you've selected your device. You can refresh it there with that little swirly arrow. So it's found your device, you click OK, it knows what it's going to use. This window appears. So the first thing I would do is get your gain up, otherwise you're going to hear nothing. Set a frequency, so that was 434550. I will try airband. Now the confusing bit is that you have to select what it's going to demodulate. So at the top here, next to the left of where it says RTL SDR, click this unusual shape, click it, and then look at all these different things that you can demodulate, and there's a lot. Right at the top is the ADS-B demodulator, which I will try. Then you've got AM, eventually you'll see narrow FM, M17's here, wide FM, it just goes on and on. It depends what you're into. Packet demodulator, frequency tracker, scanner, free DV. What else are we seeing here? Now you can add plugins, you can add more to this. This is the default, just installed selections. FT8 demodulator there. So there's a learning curve to everything, of course. But we're just going to choose, nice and boring, narrow FM, NFM demodulator, and then apply and then close. And then at the top here, we're going to hit play. So we'll just hit, see that I hit play at the top, where you can open multiple windows, and that would have started all of them, but you've got individual play for individual windows. So we're going to hit play, and straight away you can hear. Now you can move these squares around and make them bigger as well with these little, let me do that one. It's not letting me grow that one. Let's try this one. Yeah, there's one there. So that's G7RPG on HubNet. As you can see, the gain's important. The volume is just a tiny little wheel. Let's get the right wheel. There it is there. So look in this square. NFM demodulator. There's a small little wheel here, and you can scroll and turn it down. And there's even CT/CSS there that you can select on the left. We're not transmitting, so, and I think the transmit on my node is set that it doesn't need to have it on receive, but only on transmit. So that's pretty cool as we learn. So let's try an airbound one. So we'll go down to 133, and I've got my collinear on my roof connected to this. 133850, and then we're going to need a different demodulator. Let's go back to that squirrely sign. Click here, and if we go to we've got AM, that'll give us the normal, apply and close. And then so obviously we look at waiting for a AM signal to come through. And now this window we're not really using, this one. We're using this one now, and this is the one that has AM here. And you've got volume here and squelch. Makes sense to get that squelch down, volume up. That's lucky. Now if I try and select ADBS, we might be able to pick something up, but that was Bristol Airport then. So I don't know if you can open two windows, you know, for ADBS. Let's try it. See if it adds another one, the top one. Apply. So we've got the second window closed. Now I don't know if it will allow us to use two because I'm brand new to this, but look, you get a map in this. I'm guessing now, so I'm just going to go, I don't know the frequency, you know, here. We're still receiving the air band. So definitely try it out. I'll put the links in. I mean, that station's a bit off frequency. It could be, well, it will be my settings. It could be my bandwidth. So I'm going to click this little aeroplane here, and it downloads a database. Reading aircraft information has just appeared. Go like so. And then the next one across said download the latest airports database, and then more are appearing. So I'm more here, aren't I, in the southwest? Just about here. So let's go nearer to me. And then we'll hit that again. Moving along. Airspace. I'm just going around downloading everything. Display settings. That's quite a big download, isn't it? I'll leave it live. Okay, now this has appeared, Bristol, and it says the frequencies. Got Cardiff. You can see where I am, southwest UK.
we'll let you know what the new slot is. Thanks. Jet 562, push and start, stand 39. Jet 562, stand 39, push and start into runway 27. Press down the brake, runway 27, Jet 562.
So give it a go, see how you get on. Bye for now.